Yesterday, we got you details of two explosives that rocked the Air Force base in Jammu. And here are the updates on the investigation front. Remember that the NIA is in fact probing this terror attack. The initial investigation suggests that the attackers could have been operating the drones from a close proximity from the attack site. Now, the small quadcopters damaged the roof of the building, leaving two personnel with minor injuries. They are currently under observation. All air bases have been put on high alert now, keeping the possible security threat in view. Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria spoke to the two injured personnel over phone, and Air Marshal Vikram Singh from the Western Air Command visited the blast site to take stock of the situation.
A major security nightmare in Jammu. India faces its first drone attack. Two IED payloads carried by a drone rocks Jammu Air Force Station with low-intensity explosions, leaving two personnel injured. The first blast took place at 1:37 a.m., while second explosion took place 5 minutes later at 1:42 a.m., causing minor damages. Two suspects have been detained by the forces, while the National Investigation Agency is carrying out further probe. An FIR has been registered under sections of UAPA and Explosives Act. Cops tell India Today that the drones were operated from near the air base. Intel sources reveal that the valley was already alerted about a possible drone strike on June 24th.
Definitely, I think we need to be alert on this aspect of the drone, and the security and protection of the sensitive areas installation is very important.
After the attack, IG Kashmir chaired an urgent meeting with the NSG, Indian Air Force and CRPF officers. After the meet, Ambala, Pathankot and Avantipora Air Force stations, Srinagar and Srinagar Technical Airport have been put on high alert. Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria and Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh are closely monitoring the situation.
J&K police has confirmed that a Lashkar terrorist has been arrested and huge cache of arms and ammunition has been recovered from him, and it's believed that this terrorist was planning to carry out major terror attacks at crowded places in Jammu. So a major terror plot has been averted, has been thwarted by the Jammu police. And as far as this case is concerned, the twin blasts at the Air Force Station, probe is on, matter is being investigated, but what is coming out from the preliminary investigation is that a drone has been used to carry out the twin blast inside the Air Force Station. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.
So this particular attack now is being very closely probed by the NIA. There's a suspicion that the perpetrators of the attack were in fact controlling and handling the drones from close by, from close to the venue where the attacks actually took place. Two Air Force personnel have been injured, but we're told it's minor injuries, that they're doing fine, but they are under observation currently. Sunilji Bhatt is joining us live from Jammu with the latest updates on this. Sunilji, good morning. You've been tracking closely all the latest that's been coming in on this particular explosion that's happened. What is the latest, if you can tell us, on the investigation front?
Well, Akshita, as far as investigations are concerned, the Air Force authorities are tight-lipped. But what we have learned from our sources is that it seems to be that a drone was used to carry out this attack, and this has been, even confirmed by Jammu and Kashmir Director General of Police Dilbag Singh, who also said that as per the preliminary investigation, it seems that a drone must have been used to carry out these twin blasts inside the Air Force Station. But still investigations are on. It remains to be seen that whether, the matter that is being probed right now is that what is the origin of this drone? Who was operating it? Whether it was being operated from across the international border or it was being operated from within the Jammu city. The security experts are saying that it seems that it's very difficult that somebody could have operated it from other side of the international border, and it seems that somebody within the Jammu city was operating this drone. So that is why it's a matter of huge concern for the security establishment. An alarm has been already sounded, and there are many meetings that have been held since yesterday by the security top brass to review the security of airports and air bases across Jammu and Kashmir. And similarly, we have seen that Ambala Air Base in Haryana, Pathankot Air Base in Punjab, and Avantipura Air Base in South Kashmir's Pulwama district, they have been put on high alert given the sensitivity of the situation. But it's a big security lapse clearly and a major security scare, because this is a high security zone in Jammu Air Force Station, and as per the preliminary investigations, it's clear that no terrorist has intruded inside the Air Force Station, and clearly, as per the preliminary investigations, somebody was operating a drone, and these twin blasts have been carried out by using a drone by the terrorists.
All right.